Hi guys, this is Marvin from shopsadapage.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Sades Spellond Pro gaming headset. I'm also going to introduce you to the brand Sades just in case you haven't heard of them yet. So let's get into it. Welcome back guys. So before we proceed with the unboxing of the Sades Spellond Pro gaming headset, like I said, I'm going to introduce you to the brand Sades. So they are actually an international company that focuses on esports grade gaming peripherals, most specifically with gaming headsets. But they are also slowly expanding their arsenal with gaming keyboards, mice, and other peripherals. They are very active on participating on events, and they also sponsor different teams. They are known on the esports scene, specifically with the League of Legends Master Series. This is a good news for us Filipinos because they are planning on entering the PH market real soon, and they're just figuring out their local distributor. Now, there are actually two versions of the Sades brand. One is the economic version, and the second one is the international version. The economic version is more cheaper because it's actually targeted on the mainland China, while the international version is much more expensive, but the quality is also better. The international version is more expensive because it needs to pass different certifications across different countries around the world. So the quality and after-sales support is better because you have different local distributors across different countries, compared to the economic version, which is targeted more on the mainland China. I'm going to put a link on the description below to a video explaining more about the difference between the economic and the international version. Don't worry guys, because what's coming here is the international version, so expect better quality gaming peripherals and of course good after-sales support. So with that being said, let's proceed with the unboxing of the Sades Spellond Pro gaming headset. So right here, I have the packaging for the Sades Spellond Pro gaming headset. Like I said, they are one of the sponsors for events like the League of Legends Master Series, as you can see on the badge here. On its side, we can have an idea of the design of the ear cups. And on the other side, we have the details about the two gaming audio modes powered by Bongiovi Acoustics DPS technology and its certification badge right here. At the back of the box, we can see a preview of all the built-in technologies and features this gaming headset has to offer, as well as the specifications on the bottom left right here. Now, let's check out what comes in the package. So this is actually a flip-type windowed packaging, as you can see here. We have here the League of Legends Master Series artwork and the Spellond Pro branding on the left side. And then of course, the Spellond Pro gaming headset right here. We can really see that Sades put an effort with their packaging right here guys. The platform that holds the headset even has a velvet surface, which makes it feel more premium. Inside the box, we also have some paperwork. We have a set of stickers here, an operational manual, and an instruction guide for the high-performance audio engine powered by Bongiovi. And of course, a silica gel to keep the moisture in control. I forgot to look at the bottom of the box, and it looks like we have a guarantee card right here in different languages. Alright, let's check out the Spellond Pro gaming headset itself. Let me just remove this plastic real quick here. So here's the Spellond Pro gaming headset. At first touch, it feels solid and has a decent amount of weight to it. The quality of the materials feels good, and even though most of it is made of plastic, it doesn't feel like it's going to break that easily. The headband can decently stretch, as you can see here, providing flexibility in terms of comfort and adjustments. On the left side, we have their Wolf logo right here. I think this will light up once it's plugged in. We also have some chrome blue accent lining here, and a Spellond Pro branding right here. The headband is adjustable, as you can see here, and is supported with a stainless steel headrail. And at the top, you can see the plastic headband itself. The headband adjustment has notches on it, which is nice. And then here on the other side, we have the Sades logo, and then of course the right side ear cup with the Longzhu logo right here. The microphone can be pulled out from the left side ear cup right here. The microphone end, I think, has an LED illumination as well. It's super flexible, as you can see, with a rubber housing, so you can place the mic closer or farther from your mouth. And then just place it back like so if you don't want to use it. In terms of the earbuds, we have the Wolf logo inside here. And then of course the padding itself, which is made of fabric and not leather. I personally prefer this as it has more breathing space for heat dissipation compared to leather, and is much more durable in my opinion. The headband also have a couple of head cushions with the same materials as the ear cups. The cable is braided with an additional clear rubber coating, which I think is good to prevent noticeable friction when being rubbed off our clothing. It also has an inline control, albeit hefty, as you can see here. We have the main mode button at the center, the vibration button, the microphone, the volume up and down button, and of course the mute button and the Sades branding right here. The USB plug is gold plated, which is a nice addition, and it also has a rubber cap so it's protected when you're not going to use it. There you have it guys, this is just a quick unboxing of the Sades Spellond Pro gaming headset. I'm excited to test this out guys, especially with the different features it has to offer with the vibration feature and of course the dual gaming mode, the single and multiplayer mode. I'm going to test this real soon and I'm going to provide you with my feedback. So I'm also very excited with Sades coming here in the Philippines. I hope they can figure out their local distributor real quick. I think they are planning on coming here on the first quarter of 2019. So make sure to check their Facebook page guys. I'm going to put the link on the description below. Also join their gaming community, the Sades Wolfpack. I'm also part of that group already, so see you there guys. By the way, this is not a sponsored video guys, but Sades provided me with the Spellond Pro gaming headset for my review. I just thought of giving you guys an idea about the Sades once they hit the PH market real soon. If you want to see the actual price of their products, the international versions, you can check on Aliexpress. They have an official store there so that you can have an idea about the pricing. But bear in mind that there might be a difference because you'll have the shipping fee from Aliexpress here to the Philippines. So my advice is just to wait for the local distributor next year guys. And there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. As always, make sure to check the full article link on the description below. Again, thanks to Sades for providing this gaming headset. Subscribe if you like this and see you next time. Thank you. Have a great day.